Now the fact that I'm alone is fucking confident, and I can't seem to shake this fucking feeling in my.
Hello guys, today we're gonna continue with the second part of the coding. Yeah. So in this video we're gonna cover up we're gonna cover up the joysticks, how to turn the robot so you can take a turn, and how to program the lift in a robot. And in a competition robot, there's always the lift. The lift is the thing that the like pulls up the intake. Yeah, like this one. Like this is the lift. So here. Which one was I using? Okay, let's just continue with this one. Okay, so here we're gonna copy. We obviously need a copy. First, we're gonna finish up with the buttons thing. But after this, we're just gonna continue with the joysticks. Easy. So the easiest way is to just do it like this. Oops, my god, what am I doing? Okay, not erase that. So here you just create a negative. Create a negative below. So here button 7U here if you have. So here if R1 and R2 go if okay if R1 and R2 go back, this two goes back. This one go back, and this one go at full speed. It will turn to the right. So let's put 7 instead of 7U. Let's change it to 7R because it's gonna turn to the right. As you probably noticed, the XMTR2 is for the if you're using another controller when you're driving a robot. It may have a bunch of functions, so you may need to use another controller so you can get all those functions. But in this video, we're not gonna get into that. That's a little bit more complicated. Well, not more complicated, but we're just not gonna cover that up. So when you click button 7R, all of these are gonna activate and create this. Each one plays their role in it. So if this one goes right, this one is gonna have to go left. So here we just erase the U, replace it with the L. I'm gonna explain to you guys. So, oh my god. Okay, let's just click here. So L. So R, if you click R, it's gonna if you click the press the button R, 7R, it's gonna go. The robot is gonna move to the right. But if you click the if you press the if you press the button L, it's gonna go to the left. L equals left, R equals right. So pretty easy, huh? I'm just gonna check it's recording. Yeah. So this is pretty easy, huh? Well, we don't need it anymore. We got this, don't we? We got this. Start from scratch, but this time let's start with joysticks. So we need to do this thing again. Yeah, sorry for making you erase that. R1, let's just pretty quick. Equals vexRT is the controller. It's the controller's name. So you're saying, oh, in the controller in the controller, there's this button that if you press it, you're gonna make this happen. You're basically telling that to the cortex, which is the robot's brain. So we just put that, and we just put instead of button, we put channel, and let's put it 3. Why 3? I'll explain. Channel 3 because if you go closer and here there's a 3, right? These are channels. These are called channels, and there's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you're basically saying that there are 2 different sections of numbers. Well, there's more, but in the front of the controller, there's 2 different sections, 7 and 8. 7 controls this joystick, and 8 controls this joystick. So pretty even, huh? So just copy it real quick and paste it really fast. Oh. Control V if you don't know how to copy it and paste it. Control C to copy and Control V to paste it. So we just change this real quick to not 3. So L2, L1, L2, R1, R2. Yeah, pretty easy, huh? Okay, now that they're like made they're into the channel, just go ahead and click enter 2 times, and after that just do if. The if statement is that if if this statement is true or approved or true, let's say, whatever things inside it, it's gonna become true. It's gonna become true, and it's just gonna run it. So, well, the reason or statement is true, that thing is gonna run. So while you press the button, it's gonna run all the motors. So let's just say if vexRT the controller button, yeah, this time we do button 7U is pressed equals channel 3. So here it's really important to do this, or else it's not gonna function as you expect it to. So, and remember to do open bracket and close bracket. So you just go back here and type motor R1 equals 127, which is the maximum speed, and 127 positive is forward and negative 127 is backwards, just so you remember. And button 7U, or you're probably gonna say button 7U is this one. It is, but if you do button 7U equals channel 3, which there's only 4 channels, 1, 2, 3, and 4, it's automatically gonna eliminate all of the buttons and just gonna go to channels, and there's only one channel named 3, which it only has 2 functions, up and down. So 7 for the half to choose this half, all of this half instead of this joystick. It's choosing this joystick, button 7, and U is for up. So when you move this joystick up, the motors are gonna run at full speed, all of them, because we're gonna do it. So we're gonna make them do it. Control copy. Oh, what happened? Click enter. Okay, so let's just change the names real quick. Oh. So there we go. Now let's just copy and paste. Copy again. Control copy. Control V. Just quickly change this to negative. And change this to D and D. U is equal to up and D is equal to down. So when you move the joystick down, it's gonna go negative power, not negative power, negative number, negative to the full power of negative. So here, just do it again. Control V. But this time we're gonna take turns, and here you need to really pay attention here. So remember when I said there's only 4 channels, and if we want to use this part of it or this one, we need to name it. I'm just gonna check it's recording. Yes, we're gonna name it. So we're gonna use button 8U. Why 8? Because when you usually when you use not U, I mean button 8L to the left, so you can turn left. So usually when you use a turn, you use this joystick. So I'm programming like that. Just change this to 8, change this to L, so it can go L left. And change this to, I think it's 2. Is it? Yeah. No, it's 1. Really bad memory here. So channel 1, just move this a little. If you want to go to the left, you're gonna have to make, if you want to go to the left is this side. If you want to go to that side, you need to make R1 and R2 full speed and L1 and L2 negative. So it's gonna be, just make these two, the lower ones, negative. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, just go in the comment section and leave it. I'm gonna try my best to respond to you in time. So there it is. Now click enter and do it again. Okay, now this one we change it to quickly to 8. Now we change this one to R, so it's right and channel, which is really important, to channel 1. And this time we make the ones on top negative. Why? So if we want to turn to the right, we have to make these two negative, so it goes back. So these wheels go back, and these wheels over here go top power. Which if you make these two back and this front, go forward, it's gonna turn to the right, and it's gonna make the turn you want. So there it is. And to the next video I make, and if it's about make sure if you like the video, if you like the video, leave a like, and if you want more of this content, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. Peace out.